Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a little sketch in watercolor and ink of a blossom tree. I hope you enjoy it. The first thing I did was my sketch on tracing paper, which I transferred to 140-pound watercolor paper. I did the blossom all in one color, pink, and the stems in, I think it was a mixture of raw sienna and purple. But since it's watercolor, it's been on my pad for a long time and I cannot remember what the colors are. So just choose your own pink and brown and work away at it. And here I added purple for the shadow. It really doesn't matter too much because the ink is what defines it. You can see it's really just a blob at this point. And I added green for the leaves. And it has no form at all. It does look quite nice but unfocused at this point. And then I use my Micron archival pen, which is water resistant, and I add the leaves and the blossoms very, very closely. And here it is in my sketchbook. So I hope you enjoyed this tiny video showing you how I do this. I did the sky, I want to say, by putting on blue and then blotting it out with paper towel, and a wash of green for the base. Appreciate it if you could like, share and subscribe. Thank you. That helps my channel grow. Thank you for watching.